Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed so that you get notified when we post future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I've asked you to do. You don't pay for anything. Forex robots, forex systems, indicators, everything that we post, it's for free. Okay, so let's get into today's video. It's December holidays, guys. So that's why I haven't been posting a lot, taking time to relax and catching up on things. And I hope you have been doing the same. So yeah, today we are talking about setting goals for 2021, trading goals for 2021. How much money are you targeting to make in 2021 with your trading? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I believe in the power of spoken word, written word. I believe if you write it down and if you commit to it, you can actually realize it. That's just my belief. So leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd like to hear how much money you are planning to make in trading in 2021. So how do you go about making this simpler? For example, if you wrote down $1 million, let's say you wrote down $1 million, you are aiming to make $1 million in trading in 2021. How do you then go about it? Because that's where people actually fail. Usually people know what they want, but they cannot plan towards it. They cannot plan for it. That's where everything goes wrong. Have you ever seen a person without direction? Every which way for them is fine because they don't know where they are going. Really, for a trader who does not have a goal that they are aiming for, really any amount is fine. Whether they make $10, it's fine. Whether they make $20, it's fine. Whether they make $5 today, it's fine. Whether they make $1 tomorrow, it's fine, because really they are not going anywhere. They are not going anywhere. So it's important that you have a goal, a financial goal. How much money are you targeting to make in 2021? And especially now that we are in December, it's the right time to take time to think about things. Don't worry about the markets. The markets are quiet at this time of the year. Most of the traders, the big hedge funds, the bank traders, all the big players are on holiday. So don't worry too much about the markets. If you want to be in the markets right now, just do your scalping, but don't try to hold long trades, because any sudden movement might take you out, because the usual flow is out of the market at the moment. Everyone is on holiday. So yeah, have an idea of how much money you are going to be making in 2021 and be realistic. There are people who want to turn a $10 account into $10 million, $1 billion. Yes, it might be possible, but you cannot do it in 12 months. I promise you, you are not going to turn $10 into $10 million in 12 months. So if you're aiming to have $1 million at the end of 2021, then you need to look at how much money are you investing in your account. Sorry about that. How much money are you depositing in your account? And you need to have an idea of what lot sizing are you going to be using in order to turn that amount into $1 million. Of course, you're going to have some losses, and so you need to take that into consideration as well. And you need to be disciplined. You need to be disciplined to stick to your plan. So say you said you are going to have $1 million when the clock hits 31 December 2021. First task is, I will say, you then need to divide $1 million divide by 12. How much is that? You do your calculation. I'll wait. Of course, I'm not going to wait. You divide your $1 million into 12 parts, which is the 12 months that we still have in 2021. Then you get an amount. Let me quickly do a calculation. Okay, so in 2021, if you are aiming to make $1 million by the 31st of December 2021, you need to be making $83,333 every month. Every month you need to be making $83,333. It gives you an idea. If you are going to be making $100,000 on the 31st of December 2021, obviously then your amount that you need to make every month is $8,333 every month. That's round about how much you need to be making every month. Then we take that amount, because you need to come to a point where you know how much money you need to be making per day. You need to know how much money you are going to be needing to make per day. You are setting targets. So per month you need $83,333 if you are targeting $1 million, or you need $8,333 if you are targeting $100,000. We divide it by 4. There are 4 weeks in a month. There are 4 weeks in a month, a typical month. So you need then to make $20,833 a week if you are going to make your $80,000 target every month. So you are going to make $20,833 a week if you need to reach your $80,000 target for every month, so that you can get to your $1 million in December. Obviously, if you're targeting $100,000, then you need to make $2,083 every week. Let's say roughly $2,000 every week, so that you meet your monthly target. And from there you can divide it into the 5 trading days that we have. Of course, if you are trading indices and boom and crash and volatility, you can trade it for 7 days a week. But if you are trading currencies, then it's 5 days a week. So let's just use the 5-day trading week. So we divide that by 5. Okay, so here's the deal. If you are hoping to make $1 million in 2021, you need to be making some $4,166 every day. Every day you need to make $4,166. It's doable. Certainly, if you are aiming for $100,000 in 2021, then you need to be making some $416 every day. Every day, $416. By the end of December 2021, you have reached $100,000. So I hope this illustration gives you an idea of what I'm talking about. You need to have an amount that you're targeting. You need to have set goals. Then that goal, you need to break it down into manageable and trackable parts. So you break down your year into 12 parts, your $100,000 into 12 parts. From there, you break it down further. Now that you have your monthly target, you break it down to your weekly target. From your weekly target, you can break it down to your daily target. So each and every day, you have an idea of how much money you should be making to make that eventual 1 million that you are targeting, or the eventual 200,000, or the eventual $50,000 that you are targeting. You have a target and you have broken it down into measurable parts. You can track it, whether you are still on goal to make that $1 million, that $200,000, that $300,000, or whatever amount that you said you are going to be making in 2021. So this is just one way to do it. The challenge, the thing that you need to avoid is to just trade and you don't know really how much money you are aiming for. So you don't know how much you should be targeting. You don't know whether if you make $5 today, is it good enough? Or whether if you make $10 tomorrow, is it good enough? If you make $2 today, is it good enough? But if you have a target like this, then you know that if you fall short of your 4,000 or 400 daily target, then definitely you need to pull up your socks. You have something to work towards. And right now is a good time to be setting these goals, because our minds are wired to always start these goals in January. The human mind is wired to start in January, to start on a Monday, to start at zero. You find that it's hard to set targets when you're in April, when you're in May, when you're in June, July, August. You cannot set reasonable targets from there. But usually the beginning of the year, that's when you are fresh and your mind is just wired to start from there. So like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below. How much money are you targeting to make in 2021, and what steps are you taking towards making that amount? Like this video. Until next time, bye.